groups, and we each have $300 to spend.
Oh, okay.
And then
How many are in a group?
Two.
And then our grade or middle level grades $1,500.
And are you guys on student council, or how is that what? Okay.
All 6th, 7th, and 8th got student council to do our shopping.
Yep, for toys, clothes, just stuff that be fun for them to have that they really can't.
What makes it fun?
Just getting stuff for kids that they can't afford. And
The fact that we can help them out for Christmas.
yeah.
A Nerf gun for a boy.
Uh-huh.
And then we got some hair clips and scrunchies for a girl. And then we got the glow dome for a boy and or a girl.
Are you guys, is it hard? Is it hard to figure out what you're going to get?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Well, it's in our age group, but
It's hard to tell what other kids like and stuff.
So you're putting a lot of thought into it.
yeah.
This is fun, though?
Yeah.
What does this mean for you to shop for other kids maybe who
I
maybe
think
even go
it's
to your
a good
school?
cause because some kids at our school might get these. But I think it's nice.
Yeah.
And it's nice to have at least one Christmas present under your tree.
Yeah.